Ranking car brands, let's see. ¿Por qué?
Wey. Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Empecemos.
Number 10, very nice, let's see. Zorro, very good. Number 3, I know Zorro, let's see. Hot dog. Number 6, very good. Circle with star.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Number 5, very nice. Hamburger. Number 9, let's see. Red Bull. Number 8, very good. Again Zorro. Let me try number 7. Let's see. Floor circle number 4. Let's see. Floor number 1. The car.
What the hell?
Car of Andy, of course. And number 2 is white and blue, of course.